So today's lesson, we're going to be talking about looking for housing, right? Looking for houses in newspapers. So let's go through this, yeah? So this first part is just, it wants you to look at the picture and guess what he's doing. When somebody looks in the classified ads, it's looking for things that are for sale. Now, not a lot of people use a newspaper now, right? But what we do use is things like KSL classifieds, right? It's the same thing. It'll tell you places to go that you can rent if you want to buy something for your house, for your car. If you want to buy a car, you can buy a car. So it's a way for you to look for things for sale. So we can look for housing, right? You can look on Zillow.com. You can look at KSL housing, different websites. So we don't really use a newspaper, but we use websites. Okay, so it says interpret. Read the ads and label each house, apartment, or condominium. Okay, so we're going to read these together. So this says available, 2-bed, 3-bath condo, schools and parks gated, and then it says call and it gives a phone number. This one says home for rent. Okay, so this one we already know is going to be a home because it says home for rent. So right here, we're going to write home. Yeah. Let's see. See if I can make it a different color. Red. There we go. Home. This is a home, right? Or we would say house. House. It's a house. Now this one says APT. APT is short for apartment. So this says apartment for rent. So this one is called, we would say, is an apartment. An apartment. Okay, now what about this one? This one says available, 2-bed, 3-bath condo. Condo is short for condominium. Condominium, right? So there we go. We got our condominium. This is a condominium because it says condo. And it says home for rent. This one's a house. And then it says apartment, APT, for rent. So we say apartment. Okay, all right. Next thing we're going to do is it says, wait, get that out of there. Okay, so this says read the classified ads, write the abbreviations for bedroom and bathroom in the chart. Okay, so let's see. So in this first one for the condominium, right, we have the abbreviation, the short version, the short one, the short way to write the word. In the first one, the one that says available, is it says what we want for bedroom and bathroom. In this first one, it says 2-bed, 3-bath. So when they say bedroom, they're saying 2-bed, it means 2 bedrooms. So we write, it abbreviates it as just bed. And bathroom is just bath, yeah? 3-bath, 2-bed, 3-bath. So that means it's 2-bedroom, 3 baths. Okay, and the second one, home for rent. It says 3. Now it's kind of hard to see here. I'll scoot out a little bit. Let me scoot out a little bit. Okay, there we go. So this says, it's kind of hard to see, but so let's do the first one again. It says bed, and the other one is bath. Okay, this one says 3 BDRM. BDRM means bedroom. So in that one, the abbreviation for bedroom is BDRM. And then bath says 2 bath. This one is bath, B-A-T-H, bath. Now, let's look at the third one, apartment for rent. This one says B-R and B-A, 2 BR, 2 BA. Yeah, so we have bedroom is BR, right? So if we write bedroom, you'll see there's a B and an R, bedroom. So we can say BR as an abbreviation. The other one for bath is just BA. BA is bathroom. Okay, so now we know bedroom can be just bed, BDRM, or BR. Bathroom can be BATH, 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 or BA for bathroom. Okay, now let's keep going. Next one, it says complete the sentences about the classified ads above with information about the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. So let's read this together. It says the house has how many bedrooms and how many bathrooms. So the house, this middle one, right, is the house. It has 3 bedrooms. So we would say it has, the house has, oh, where do we want text? The house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The apartment has how many bedrooms and bathrooms? So the apartment, this one, has 2 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. Okay, now let's look at the condominium. The condominium has 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. All right, now this says the house blank to blank. So what does it have 2 of, bedroom or bathroom? So what you would say is the house has, we use the word has, and then we say 2, it's 2, it has 2 bathrooms. Okay. All right, so that's this page. Now let's go to another one. Okay, so this one is, it says read the classified ad, means advertisement, yeah, and match the word to its abbreviation. Okay, so we have apartment is APT. Furnished is, oh, we don't want that one. Whoops. I want this one. We want a pen. Okay. Furnished. Oh, stop it. All right, sorry guys. Let me just get the pen working. Okay, so we have furnished. The abbreviation is F-U-R-N, furnished. It just means furnished, meaning there's like sofa, bed, table, that kind of thing. Okay, now this word, utilities, right? Utilities is up here. It's electricity, water, gas. Utilities is shortened, its abbreviation is UTLS, utilities. Air conditioning, this one is air conditioning, which is really great in the summer, right? So we have air conditioning. Air conditioning that's shortened to AC. So we go to AC, right? Air conditioning, AC. Now, paid. So this one's important because sometimes you can move in someplace and your landlord pays your utilities. So this one up here at this classified, it says 2 bed, 1 bath apartment, right? So 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment. 818 Sundry Avenue, number 13. And it says $900, furnished, AC, all utilities paid, 1 month deposit, and bloop, and there we go. You call that phone number. Wow, awesome deal, right? So we have paid, right here, it means that all utilities are paid, meaning $900 is what you pay every month, no extra. So you write, so paid abbreviated is PD. The next one is deposit. Deposit is DEP. So you'll see the abbreviations, the shortened words are either the first few words or first few letters of the word, or it picks some of the letters and puts them together, right? So those are the abbreviations. So apartment is APT, furnished is FURN, utilities is UTLS, right? Like up here, all utilities paid. Air conditioning is A and then a dash and then a C. Paid is PD and deposit is DEP. So we have all of these. So now we can read this apartment for rent and we can see the shortened abbreviations and say the word. So 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, 818 Sundry Avenue, number 13 or 13. Sorry, number 13. $900, furnished, air conditioning, all utilities paid, 1 month deposit. 1 month deposit, MO. And then you can say call 555-6294. So that's the phone number. Good, so we got that. All right, so now this one is just, we'll skip this part. It's just, you can try reading them and see if you can understand the shorthand, right? So we have AC, electricity paid. Then we have this one, the W with this dash, it means with. So 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment with pool. Wow, it's got a pool. Okay, so let's move on to the last one, okay, that we're gonna do today. So it says, study the chart with your classmates and teacher. So these are what we say yes, no questions. It's a question you ask and you can either say, yes, it does or no, it doesn't. So if you say, does it have 3 bedrooms? You can either say, yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. That's what a yes, no question is, yeah? Okay, then we have, does it have air conditioning? You can say yes, or you can say no. All right, the other part about this is yes, no questions go up in intonation when you speak. So when we say things like, oh, what is your name? Or what time does he get off work? You'll see that my voice kind of stay the same. But if I say, does it have a bedroom? Does it have air conditioning? When we do yes, no questions, we make our voice go up. Does it have 3 bedrooms? Does it have air conditioning? And this is interesting. Yes, no questions go up like that. But sometimes when people ask in English, WH questions like what, who, where do you live? What time do you get off? How do you get to work? We don't usually do, how do you get to work? What time do you get off? You can ask them like that, that's okay, but not a lot of people do when they're talking. But when you do yes, no questions, if you listen, if it's a yes, no question, it always goes up. It always goes up. So does it have 3 bedrooms? Does it have air conditioning? We make it where our voice go up. Okay, so now we're gonna read the classified ad and we're gonna answer the questions. So it says, for rent, condo, all right? 3 BED means bedroom, 3-bedroom, 2 BATH, bath, 2-bathroom, and then condo, condominium. And then this is the address, and then this says, right, A-C is AC, air conditioning. Then we have UTLS, utilities, PD is paid. Okay, now LRG, what is that? It's large yard, large yard. And then we have the rent, right? 1,500 a month or 1,500 a month. And then it says, call Margaret at this phone number, and it has a phone number, right? Okay, so now let's answer some questions. Let's look at this and answer some questions. So does the home have 4 bedrooms? Does the home have 4 bedrooms? Yes or no? We'd say no, it does not. Does it have a yard? Does it have a yard? And it says large yard. So we say, yes, it does. Yes, it does. right? Then we have, does it have 2 bathrooms? And it does, 2 bathrooms. So we say, yes, it does. Yes, it does. Does it have furniture? Is it furnished? And I don't see anything that says that it's furnished. So we would say, no, it does not, right? Or we can say, doesn't, right? No, it doesn't. Does it have a balcony? I don't see anything about a balcony. So we would say, no, it doesn't or does not. All right, the next part is put a check by things in your home. Share the information with a partner. So since we're not in-person class, I'll just do it with you, okay? So put a check by a thing you have in your home, right? So do you have pets allowed where you live? I don't. So I'm gonna put an X. I don't have pets allowed. Do you have air conditioning? Air conditioning. Now this one can be kind of hard because I have air conditioning. See, I'll show you. But it's just in my window. It's just window air conditioning. It isn't what we say central air. Central air is when it comes out of vents. Like, ooh, can you see? Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, vents like that. If you have central air, it means that your air conditioning comes out of the vent, your heating comes out of the vent. Mine only has heating in the vent. And I get air conditioning through my window. So yeah, it has AC, air conditioning, but it's window AC. So I'm going to say it's not really air conditioning. I don't really have air conditioning. All right, the next one is utilities paid. Are your utilities paid? Mine are. I'm very lucky. When I pay my rent, I pay one price and it pays my utilities. I don't have to get a bill for me to pay my utilities. So that one is a yes. So I'm going to put a little plus sign there. Okay, next one. Or I guess I could just do, I can actually do a little drawing. Okay, let me do a little drawing. So pets allowed. Are pets allowed? Or utilities paid? Yep, utilities are paid. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. The next thing is near a school. For me, I'm not near a school. I'm not near a school. So, well, I guess a little bit. It's kind of down the street, like I would probably say half a mile. So I guess that's pretty close. So there's a school nearby. So I'm gonna put a check. I'm gonna put a check. Check. All right, next one is a balcony. Do I have a balcony? No, I live in a basement, so I don't have that. Near a park. I live near a park, so I'm going to put whoop. Next one is garage. Garage. I do not have a garage. Nope. Okay, so now for this part is kind of, you can do it if you want the practice. If you don't, it's okay if you don't do it. So next one is you can write a classified ad for your house or your apartment, wherever you live, and use the abbreviations like this, right? How many bedrooms? Write it as BED or BDRM, yeah? How many bathrooms do you have? So for me, I have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, yeah? And then you can write the address, things like I would write utilities paid. I could say, oh, it's near a park, near a school. This is how much money it is a month, and you can call me. So this is how to write a classified ad. And the next part you can do if you want to is look in the newspaper, or what you're going to do is look on the internet to find a home that is good for you. So I know some of you want to buy a new house. Maybe, I know the prices are bad. House prices are crazy right now, but you can look at the houses that are online and say, how much is this one? How much is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, right? And kind of think about it like that. Okay, so you can do this if you want to. If not, it's okay. You did the lesson, you're good. Okay, anyways,